I stepped into the ring, heart pounding, adrenaline surging. This was my championship fight, the culmination of years of hard work. The crowd roared, but all I could focus on was the man in front of me. He was known as a cold-blooded killer, but I was ready. Or so I thought. The bell rang and we began to dance around each other, trading blows. The first few rounds were brutal. I felt every punch, the sweat stinging my eyes, but I pushed through. My coach's voice echoed in my mind. I couldn't let him down. But as the rounds wore on, my strength began to fade. He was relentless, a hurricane of fists, and every time I thought I had him, he countered with precision. In the final round, everything unraveled. I was on the ropes, exhausted, when he landed a devastating uppercut. I saw stars, my world spinning, and then darkness. I hit the canvas, the referee's count echoing in my ears. 10! I was defeated. Returning home, the disappointment was suffocating. I had given everything, yet it wasn't enough. But the worst was yet to come. I found my wife in the arms of the man who had just beaten me. The betrayal cut deeper than any punch. She had been my rock, my support, and now she was gone, lost to the very enemy I had fought. Instead of walking away, I let my anger fuel my training. I pushed myself harder, each session a battle against the pain of her betrayal. I knew I'd get my rematch, and I wanted it more than anything. When the opportunity came, I stepped into the ring with a singular focus: revenge. The rematch was electric. The crowd buzzed, but all I saw was him, the man who'd stolen my title and my wife. The fight was a blur, a whirlwind of punches, but this time I was in control. I fought with a fury that shocked even me. Each hit was a reminder of my pain. I could see the fear in his eyes as I landed blow after blow. The tables had turned, and I was relentless. Finally, I knocked him down. The referee counted, and I felt the weight of the world lifting. I was victorious, but it didn't end with the belt. After the fight, I found her again. I watched her stand there, helpless, knowing what I had done. I made her life miserable, not out of cruelty, but out of a need for closure. I reminded her of every moment of betrayal, every lie she had fed me. In the end, I realized that winning the fight didn't heal the wounds she had caused, but it gave me my power back. I had lost once, but I wouldn't lose again, not to her or anyone. I walked away, the belt heavy in my hands, knowing I had fought for myself this time.